everyone, this is Dr. Nisha Garg. Welcome back. See, I'm trying my best to make the concepts of dentistry easier for you. Kindly subscribe my channel, which further motivates me for making more videos for discussion. So let's start. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to find the side of gingival margin trimmer, that is GMT. We'll find whether it's mesial GMT or a distal GMT. Say gingival margin trimmer is a modified hatchet. In this image, you can see this is how the hatchet looks. Now if we look at this, it is gingival margin trimmer. And you can clearly see GMT is just like enamel hatchet, except that blade is curved. As you can see here, that blade is curved. And bevel for cutting edge at end of blade is outside the curve. You can see in this image that bevel is on outside of the curve here. See, GMT is available as double-ended mesial and distal pair instrument. You can see these are the two ends of mesial and distal GMT. Now this gingival margin trimmer, it's used in lateral scraping motion to bevel the gingival enamel margins of proximo-occlusal preparation and beveling or rounding of the axiopulpal line angle. Now the question is how to differentiate whether the gingival margin trimmer is mesial or distal. See, for this we need to see the tip of the instrument, that is tip of the GMT. For this, first of all, we need to hold the GMT with blade facing downwards. Now see carefully. These are the two pointed tips on the cutting edge. See, this is the bigger tip and this is the smaller tip. And when you are holding it facing downwards, if the bigger pointed tip is towards the handle or shaft, it is mesial GMT. And in contrast to this, you can see in this image the two pointed tips, the bigger one and the smaller one. And this bigger pointed tip, if it is facing away from the shaft or handle, then it is distal GMT. See, as we always study in dentistry, anything which is closer to midline is mesial and anything which is away from midline is distal. For easy to remember, that pointed tip towards the handle is mesial and away from the handle is distal. I hope it's clear to you now which is mesial and which is distal GMT. The another method to identify whether it's a mesial or distal GMT is to look at the instrument formula. See, as we all know, hand cutting instruments have 3 or 4 number instrument formula, which is mentioned on the handle of the instrument. Gingival margin trimmer has a 4-number instrument formula. And if the second number, and what is the second number? It's the primary cutting edge angle. If the second number ranges from 75 to 85, then it's a mesial GMT. And if the second number ranges from 90 to 100, then it's distal GMT. I hope now you can easily identify whether the GMT is mesial or distal. Now you look in your instrument kit and let me know if there is any doubt regarding this. Thanks for watching my videos. Stay connected for more such videos. Goodbye and take care.